Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed can grow into a massive tree? Or how plants get the energy to produce the delicious fruits and vegetables we eat? It seems like magic, but it's actually one of the most amazing processes in nature. And it all starts with sunlight. Today, we're diving deep into the world of photosynthesis, the incredible way plants make their own food. So, what exactly is photosynthesis? The word itself gives us a clue. Photo means light, and synthesis means to make. So plants are literally making something using light. But what are they making? They're making their own food, a type of sugar called glucose. This is the fuel that powers all of the plant's activities, from growing taller to producing flowers. To pull this off, plants need three key ingredients: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. You know, the stuff we breathe out, plants are perfectly designed to gather these ingredients. Their leaves are like little solar panels, soaking up sunlight. They absorb water through their roots, which travels all the way up the stem to the leaves. And they have tiny pores on their leaves called stomata that open up to take in carbon dioxide from the air. Now, here's where the real magic happens. Inside the plant's leaf cells are tiny structures called chloroplasts. These are the factories where photosynthesis takes place. And inside the chloroplasts is a special green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is what gives plants their green color. But more importantly, it's the key that unlocks the energy in sunlight. Think of it like a two-step recipe. The first step is called the light-dependent reactions. When sunlight hits the chlorophyll, it excites the molecules and splits water into oxygen and hydrogen. And guess what? The oxygen is released back into the air. That's right. The very oxygen we breathe is a byproduct of plants making their food. It's an incredible gift from the plant world to us. The second step is called the light-dependent reactions, or the Calvin cycle. This part doesn't need direct sunlight to happen. In this stage, the plant uses the energy captured from the sunlight to combine the hydrogen from the water with the carbon dioxide from the air. Through a series of chemical reactions, it creates glucose, that sugary food we talked about. So, the plant has its glucose. What does it do with it? It uses it immediately for energy to grow and repair itself. But plants are also smart planners. They can store any extra glucose for later, kind of like how we store food in our pantry. They convert the glucose into a more stable form called starch and store it in their roots, stems, and seeds. When you eat a potato or a carrot, you're eating a plant's stored energy reserves. This process is the foundation of almost all life on Earth. The energy that plants capture from the sun gets passed along the food chain. When a herbivore like a rabbit eats grass, it's getting that stored solar energy. When a carnivore like a fox eats the rabbit, that energy is transferred again. Even when we eat plants or animals, we are tapping into energy that originally came from the sun and was captured by a plant. So, next time you see a plant, whether it's a giant tree, a flower in your garden, or even the lettuce in your salad, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work it's doing. It's a silent, solar-powered factory turning sunlight into life itself, cleaning our air and providing the food that sustains us all. It's a beautiful, essential cycle that connects everything on our planet. Thanks so much for watching and learning with me today. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our world. See you in the next video.